So you ask, I'm going to answer. What is the easiest way, the fastest way to get in the best shape at 40 plus women without any gym equipment? Well, everybody knows about push-ups. That's the main exercise foundation-wise you can do. But the way we do it is a little different. We do it in tempo. I'm not going to get into all the details about that, but it's basically 3 to 5 different exercises, just like food. The main exercise you can do that will help you get in best shape in less amount of time. You're talking about 15 minutes. I train my wife probably 3 times, maybe 2 times a week, and her workouts are no more than, say, 15, 20 minutes. Works well for her. She doesn't like long workouts. She doesn't like to work at all, really, but for, help her with, she's 40 plus as well. So to help her get in better shape and avoid the things that come along with getting aging, which is osteoporosis, high blood pressure, diabetes, all that kind of stuff. 15 minutes of high intensity, low impact exercises help save your joints, ligaments, tendons. So you're not really doing a lot of herky-jerky movements. So you will save you have a longer lifespan of being able to move around and be mobile without any aches and pains. Hopefully. Can't really guarantee that. I don't know your body, but I will tell you this approach will help avoid most of those things. So again, if you there's a link somewhere around here. Just click on that. If you go to the Coach AI app, it will prompt you, or you can ask the question, what is a 15-minute workout I can do to save time and get in better shape at my age, 40 plus? It will basically tell you step by step what you need to do, how you need to do it, and then you're on your way. There is a better way. It's not the most traditional way, because most traditional ways are to stay in the gym for an hour, hour and a half. You got to do cardio. You got all this kind of extra stuff. And then you get very little results from that, because I believe training smarter is the best way to go, especially as you start to get older, 40 plus. So women, this is the approach I have. Check it out. Give me some feedback on it once you try it. If you don't try it, that's fine. But one thing I will say, if you don't try it, you'll never know. So that's my tip for today. 15-minute workout, fast, efficient, stay strong, 40 plus. See you soon.